Hi, welcome to MarineMax. We're in Cumming, Georgia on Lake Lanier. Today we're looking at a 2019 Falcon 215 bass boat. This is a used boat with only 20 hours on it. It was actually traded in for a larger yacht. This boat, if you research it, you will find is extremely well appreciated for being a quality boat with a lot of quality features. First of all, it's coming with 2 power poles, with a remote, of course, for operation. The power poles, the Yamaha 250 SHO. It'll push this boat close to 70 miles an hour. You've got your fishing chair here. Also got a chair forward, or just the seat forward. It has the optional chair that goes if you want a full chair versus the seat. Boat is equipped with 2 live well entrances. This is a separated live well with a dam for recirculating and all. It's a large live well, so it'll hold a lot of fish if you want to put live fish in there or bait, whichever you choose. Battery storage is all the way across the back. It has access to the center, which opens up all 3 compartments where you can get to each side. The 3 Helix 10s have structure scan, down scan, GPS mapping, all the things you need to see what's on the bottom and pick out the fish from the clutter. Going forward, you notice the center step through. This can be from the factory a seat. If you want it to be, this boat has a 5-person capacity, which is different than most bass boats that only carry 4 or 3. For your convenience, you've got a cooler built in right here with a drain. You've got 2 wet storage facilities here for fish if you want to keep it in there, and they are drained, and you have 2 very large rod lockers on each side. Coming forward, you've got another Helix 10. You've got the Ultrex Minn Kota trolling motor, high pilot, remote control or foot operated. You've got LED lights all the way around the deck area. This is a nice large flat deck area. Notice the recessed cleat so you're not tripping and hanging lines up on things. Your rod storage clip here, if you want to use that. The biggest comment I get about this boat is the amount of deck space on the boat. Come see us at MarineMax on Lake Lanier, Baldridge Marina. Take a look at this boat real hard. You'll see the quality throughout. We'll take it for a test ride. You can prove it yourself. Thank you.